this is what they are doing.
Bro, the water goes straight until here.
Anya! April 14. Soup. Ang sarap naman yan, babe. Ay, wow! Ay, wow! Dapa na siya.
So, give me the brown.
Ay, wow! Hihiga mo din.
Oh, sweet! May ice skating na ano. Ice skate tsaka Saturdays. 4-5 lang.
Oy!
Libre.
4-5 lang.
You have work! You have work! You have work!
Kaya niya dito, si Edso dito. Pwede na.
Ayan. Hi, babe! Super init.
Hindi, malamig pa nga.
Today is
Malamig na yun.
9:57 na April 15.
Sweldo pa lang ngayon. Sweldo day!
Today is April 18 and we're doing a school hopping for Enzo. So, pakatapos lang namin sa 2 school. Nag-check kami ng 2 school. And right now, pupunta kami doon sa future house namin. Bibisitahin namin. How are you all guys then?
Hungry.
Hungry. Kanina pa talaga naghahanap ng food. So, check natin yung house.
Paano ka? Papakain ka.
Hi, Anya. So, we're here at SNR Emus. Kakain mo na kami because it's been a long day for everyone. Hi, Anya.
Oo,
Pero parang pretty baby.
I got a free sample ice cream.
Ikat o what?
A free sample.
You're becoming silly. Yeah, siling labuyo. Cocomelon. Cocomelon. Ginawa niya playground dito. Yeah, it's not a
How
house.
can this be mine? I could put my stuff here. Can I buy that?
Sisirado ka na niya na.
Problema dito, nasa labas ako.
Nasa playground ba? Hi, Anya. Ay, nagawa siya ng face. Join, Anya. Go inside. Go inside faster, kuya, because she wants to close it.
Want to lock it?
Yeah.
Ipit kamay mo.
There you go. Okay. Hi, Anya. Hi.
Order po ako. Sisig. Nalusog mo nung naisip yung diaper.
Is your order?
Parang gusto ko to kay Daddy. A storage house sa bahay. See? This is enough na. See, ayaw ko lang. Lalagay ko na. This is nice. Ang daming mabubudol dito sa SNR. Especially if may sarili ka ng bahay.
Waka Woo!